This is the second chapter, that is fractions and decimals. So first we will discuss what is fraction. So fraction is a part of whole. Suppose when an object is divided into a number of equal parts like this, that each part is called fraction. Okay, suppose this is a whole, that is a circle, and we are dividing into 4 equal parts. So one part will also called 1/4 part. So this is the fraction. Now there are different ways of writing a fraction. For example, 2/5 of an object can be written as a fraction, 2/5, as a decimal, just divide it, so 0.4, and in percentage it can be written as 40%. Okay, so there are 3 ways to write a fraction. Now we will learn the type of fraction. So first is like fractions. In these fractions, denominator are same. So these are called like fractions. Suppose 1/3, 2/3, 5/3, etc. Okay. Now second is unlike fraction. Fractions with different denominators are unlike fractions. Suppose 2/5, 3/7, 8/9. So these are unlike fraction. Now, and one more thing, suppose what it is called, this is numerator and it is called denominator, and it is called divided by or vinculum. Okay, but denominator can never be 0. Why? Because we can't divide by 0. 2 divided by 0 not defined, so denominator can never be 0. Okay, now third type is improper fraction. So improper fraction, in this numerator is greater than the denominator. So example, 7/4, 8/3 and 9/4. Now proper fraction. Fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are known as proper fraction. Okay, so 4/5 in which numerator is less than the denominator, 3/7 and 6/11. Then what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction. Fractions which are combination of whole number and fraction are called mixed fraction. For example, 2 1/4, 3 1/5, etc. Or mixed fraction can be written as whole number plus fraction. Then unit fraction, in which numerator is always 1. So you can say that a fraction that has 1 as the numerator is called unit fraction. Suppose 1/5, 1/6, 1/9, etc. Okay. Then equivalent fraction. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied or divided by the same number, same whole number, not zero, we get a fraction which is equivalent to the given fraction. Suppose 1 upon 3 or is equals to 2 upon 6. If I am multiplied by 2 in the numerator and denominator, so we will get 2 upon 6. Then we are multiplying 3, so 3 upon 9. Then 15 upon 20, so 1 upon 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, and 15 upon 20 are called equivalent fraction. Now we will learn fraction on the number line. How to represent a fraction on the number line. Suppose fraction is 2 upon 5. So first we have to draw a number line. Then it is not a mixed fraction. It means it is always lie between 0 and 1. So here I am writing 0 and 1. Then how many parts we required? Yes, 5 parts. So we have to divide this into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are equal parts. Now first part says 1 upon 5. Second part is called 2 upon 5. Next is 3 by 5. Fourth by 5. And this will be 5 upon 5, that is 1. So 2 by 5 is here. Okay. Now we will represent a mixed fraction on the number line. Suppose 1, 3 upon 5. So it is clear that it lie between 1 and 2. Okay. So first we have to draw a number line. This is 0 and this will be 1. Now this mixed fraction lie between 1 and 2. So we have to make like this. Now how many parts are required? Yes, 5. So we have to divide this into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are 5 parts. First part is called 1 upon 5. And this is 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5. Now we will see this is the 1. Then when we are moving ahead, it means something is added to 1. So this is 1 plus 3 upon 5. So it represents 1 upon 1, 3 upon 5. Okay.